Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group, and let's jump right into this photo. Today's poster wanted to know why his camera is giving these pictures where everything is askew. The top half of the picture is leaning to the right and the bottom half is actually leaning to the left. If I were to draw a square, you could see the dotted line that's straight up and down on this pole at the bottom. It's straight, it touches the line, but above a little bit, right at around here, it's not. So everything down here is actually leaning to the left, whereas everything on the top is leaning to the right. To fix that, we're going to have to cut the picture into two and lean the bottom to the right and the top to the left. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to choose the photo. I'm going to grab the square. I'm going to take this part of the photo right here, and I'm going to right click and hit cut. So now we in essence have a top half and a bottom half. Let's choose the bottom half and do the quick fix on that. I'm going to go to Image, Transform, Distort. This allows me to grab one of the corners, and if I hold the shift, it'll stay horizontally, and I can distort the picture inside or outside. So I'm going to pull it out a little bit, and you can see what's happening is the poles are coming up to straighten up, to be a proper up and down, or plumb as you will. And that's pretty much it, right around there. So it didn't take too much. Now I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to do the same thing to the top. And because I want to distort the top over, I'm going to do the same thing. Go to Image, Transform, and Distort, and grab this little square here and pull it to the left until you see that the house is starting to look like it's straight up. Now, towards the very left, it's still kind of skewing to the right. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit. And as you see, as I bring it down, it straightens out that whole left side completely. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and take my cropping tool and grab it at the lowest or smallest point of each corner and go like this. Crop it out from here to here, all the way over to this side. I'm going to click it here. I'll hit OK, and there we go. We got us a picture that is pretty straight on the top and pretty straight on the bottom. All we got to do is just soften up these lines just a little bit, so I can take my smudge brush and do a couple little fixes. See that? Just kind of merge it in like that. Using the smudge tool, I'm smudging the top down to the bottom. Just a little bit to get rid of that line. And if I turn off the bottom, you'll see what I did, the smudges that I added to the photo. They're not much. It's all it takes is just a little bit. And that's all there is to it. I think we fixed this picture up pretty good. That's all there is for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.